This is our agent for the buildathon on the use case inbound banking support agent. And we have named our agent as the banking compass. So we have given a enhanced detailed prompt to our agent so that it could catch all the thing in English, Hindi and English, Hindi both languages. And these are the details, conversational flow that we have also added the call transfer features, prompt given number, transcriber that which transcriber models we have to use. We have entered all the thing. We have used the noise cancellation, uh, DTMF, and for the voice we have used Supriya. These are the things we have modified for our agent. And in the integrations, we have taken the four integration which we have made for the custom use. And for these four integration, we have created four actions which directly relates to the integration and directly call to integration or the for all the details the agent could get. And for the database, we have added one in the knowledge base and one to push in the GitHub. We have made in the VS Code that we have named our database into categorized into 11 and we have created a readmd file, a system prompt text, and we have also created that what we are going to ask to our agent. So these are the questions that I'm going to ask from our agent. So let's move to our agent itself. So to test our agent, we will just create a chat window. Now from here, we will chatting on with our uh, with our agent in for the various or to test all the things that we have embedded in the prompt and the knowledge base. So let's start with hello. Uh, as I am doing it now in English, so we will continue in English itself. So for I'm taking it for the specific account number, so I'm doing that. And as this is we can't add the call transfer thing that directly send the OTP to the phone number of the user. So for the demo purpose, we have used the OTP in the chat itself so that it could verify the uh, user. And for the question purpose, we have categorized the thing in 11 to 12 uh, question set, and this is how the details comes up. So the details that account balance, active KYC, all these things are has been done. Uh, this told you all the things that last four digit of the account, the status, KYC. So now what we can ask is last five transactions. So these are the transactions of mine for the last five transactions. And let one we do for the card services also. For the card service, I will just enter a prompt to block my card. So as I haven't written anything, so the chat got. So by these way, you can ask the agent in each and every language, not each and every language, in Hindi or English or the mix of Hindi and English. So he will reply you if the data is available in the database, and if the user belong to the particular bank or anything, it can answer you the FD rates. If you switch the language to Hindi, he can able to answer you in the Hindi language itself. And if the OTP provided is wrong, then also it will not show you the data. First, you will need to verify your details or the phone number by putting the right OTP. And for the fraud detection, also, we have added many uh, companies that are blacklisted for the uh, mock purpose. All the data are the mock, all the data are not the realistic. They have been generated on the mock purpose only. So for all the things we can test on our agent itself, like if we don't reply in some of the seconds, the chat will end. And like if any of the person enters the detail for anything, and if the detail is not missing, then the agent will tell that information is not available. And if for the frequently asked questions that a user asks what are the charges to maintain the minimum balance, then the AI will tell the charges and the way to update the phone number and where are the ATMs located in the cities. And for all these things, we have set up our agent. And one more thing, that we can also check our check status and the FD rates, loan status, that what are the loans we have been in and which have been completed. So if the user asks the status of the check number, if there is any check available for the particular user, then the agent will show the status of the check. And for all the users, the agent will show the FD rates. And FD rates are divided into three categories: are general, senior, and most senior, so that the it could get categorized. And for the loan, if any of the user has the loans, then the if user has the loan, it asks the agent, then the agent will directly show him the loan status or the amount of the loan, the time of the loan, that in what time the loan have to be paid. And for the KYC thing, we have already seen the and also the ATM thing, that it could get you the ATM in your city, the nearest ATM to any of the pin. And if you want to register any of the complaint itself, so you can just tell the agent that I want to register the complaint and I want to charge these complaint for these purposes. Then the agent will directly file a complaint, and then afterwards you can also check the status of your complaint. And the blocking card thing, all these things we have already seen. So our agent is made like that. It could get all the data, it could get all the stuffs that user asked. So by this way, we can make the uh, uses of the agent for the bank use, mostly the bank use, as it is made on the particular purpose for the bank itself. So it could get all the data from the bank and save into the database, and the agent directly call the database and answer the user, and which can prefer most preferred. And we have added one thing, that if a user want to talk to the human agent, then just write, I want to talk to the human agent, then the call will transfer to the human agent itself. So by these way, we have made our project, and this is how we have set up all the things. So I think the project will able to help the banks and um, try to find a solution of the problems that users and the bank feels. Thank you.
Hello,
Hello,
namaste. This
namaste.
is the
This is the
Banking
Banking
Compass, your
Compass,
banking
your
support
banking support
assistant.
assistant.
You can speak
You
in
can speak
English
in
or
English
Hindi.
or Hindi.
For your
For your
safety,
safety,
please don't share
please
your
don't share
PIN,
your PIN,
password, or
password,
full
or full
OTP.
OTP.
How can I
How
help you
can I help
today?
you today?
I want to know my balance.
Please provide
Please
your
provide your
12-digit account
12-digit
number.
account number.
Or, if
Or,
you
if
prefer,
you prefer,
you can share
you
your
can
name
share your name
and the last
and the
four
last
digits
four
of your
digits of
account.
your account.
For your
For your
security,
security,
I will then
I will
send a
then send a
one-time
one-time
password,
password,
OTP,
OTP,
to your
to your
registered mobile
registered
number.
mobile number.
My name is Rohan Gupta, and last four digit of my account number is 0123.
1, 2 to 3.
1, 2 to 3.
For your
For your
security,
security,
I'm sending a
I'm sending a
6-digit
6-digit
OTP to your
OTP to your
registered
registered
mobile
mobile
ending in
ending
11.
in 11.
For this
For
demo,
this demo,
the
the
OTP is
OTP is
234567.
234567.
Please enter it
Please
to
enter it
proceed.
to proceed.
The OTP is 234567.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Verifying.
Verifying.
Success. Your
Success.
account
Your
is now
account is now
verified.
verified.
Here's your
Here's
account
your account
information.
information.
Account
Account
0123.
0123.
Account
Account
balance
balance
Rs
Rs
18507.
507.
Account
Account
status
status
active.
active.
KYC
KYC
status
status
verified. Is
verified.
there
Is there
anything else I can
anything else
help
I
you
can
with
help you
today?
with today?
No, thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you
using
for
the
using
Banking
the Banking
Compass.
Compass.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
आपका दिन शुभ
आपका दिन
हो.
शुभ
Have
हो.
a great
Have a
day.
great day.
Tote.
Note.